Okay, let's pop the hood. Well, darn it. I've got 2 flat tires on this truck, and I want to pull it up to the slab and take the rims off, but I think we're going to change directions here. I think we got to worry about the battery first. Make sure these are tight. All right. Let's charge it. Well, that was perfect timing. Battery's dead on the truck, and the company just sent me this charging pack. I think you pronounce it LIFMOCER or LIFMOCER. It's one of those battery jump start packs. So let's open this thing up and see what it's all about. Let's first take a look at the box. How to jump start a car. It looks really easy, doesn't it? Let's look at some of the specs on it. Those are the warning information. Here we go. Jump starter power pack, 52 watt hours, 3,000 amps. The GS300, 59.2 watt hours, 12 volts, 3,000 amps peak current. All right, let's open it up and see what it's all about. Nice package. Ooh, I do like the travel case. Strong, durable, feels like it's really stout. All right, where's the zipper? Right here. All right, here's the instructions. Cable. And here's the unit itself. All right, I guess we're gonna need all this. Oh, those are nice alligator clips. Let's start off, we have a USB to a USB-C. I think you could actually charge cameras and etc. off of this. Let me look at the manual real fast here. All right, after looking at the manual, I think I know how to use this. Let's unwrap this. I think it's good. Ooh, here we go. We have USB-C and 2 USBs in there. I suspect the one USB-C right there where my finger is will be for charging, I'm thinking. Let's not pull that. Let's not pull this off yet. We got to make sure it works. So this is here's the power button. Oh, 89%. We're looking good. It said it can do up to how many cycles? Several. Let me find that again. I know you can use this several times on one charge. I'm not sure exactly how many. Now that I know it's on, let's peel that off. We don't need that on. Okay, I'm guessing the cord goes right in there. Ooh. This is going to be... We have a light on it. I know it's got an SOS feature. SOS. How do you shut it off? Just hold it down. All right. Does this have a forced start? I don't know if it does. Oh, yes. The forced start is on the end of this right here. I believe you have to hold this down. And that's if your battery's like below, you know, it won't read anything, like it's completely dead. So we're going to, oh, let's look at these. Oh, very stout alligator clips. All right, let's go try it, guys. There it goes. Let's go give this a try. All right, let's go. Positive, negative. We got the green light on it. that just so you can see. And I think it said 30 seconds, 45 seconds. So let's give it a try. We're going to let that go, and yeah, I know I got a little bearing going out in the alternator. I'm going to let that truck idle for a minute, but check that out. We were at 89%, we were only at 88% now. Let's check the phone charging feature. I mentioned let's try charging a phone. They give us a USB to a USB-C. I think that's the one you want to use because the USB-C to USB-C is for charging only, I believe. So let's see here. Are we on? And there it goes. 69%. The little green right up there. So it is charging. Let's pull it out. And now it's not. A couple quick facts on this as well. It's rated up to a 10-liter gas engine or an 8-liter diesel. So they don't recommend going anything over than that. And it's only 12 volts. It's not a 24-volt system or a 6-volt system. So don't make that mistake. Nice packaging. All right, guys. If you're interested in one of these, check out the description for a link. Also a discount code where you can pick up one of these LIFMOCER starter packs. It would be a great Christmas present, birthday present, Father's Day present, even a Mother's Day present for somebody special in your life or even for yourself. All right, guys, take care. That'll do it. We'll see you next time.